Hey guys, I'm going to show you the easiest way how you can convert a PDF table to Excel. Now for this we're going to need Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, and an example table that I am going to show you right here. Okay, so first off we want to open up Microsoft Word. And while you are on the home page here without opening a blank document, you want to just drag and drop this PDF file. It will say that Word will now convert your PDF to an editable Word document. Click on OK and wait for it to finish. Now here we want to select the table that we want to convert to Excel and just hover over to the left over this square here. So after we have located this square, we want to right click on it and just select copy. This should copy the entire table for us. After we have done this, we can just minimize Word or exit out of it altogether and open up a new blank document in Excel. From here, we want to go to the first cell, right click, and under paste options, select the first option, keep source formatting. And as you can see, now our PDF table has officially been added to Excel. If this helped you out, leave a like and sub, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.